Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are reviewing and trying out the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, the one, the only. I am literally a die-hard Jeffree Star fan. Guilty. I'm guilty of loving the MySpace Jeffree Star and not the beauty blogger Jeffree Star like you guys. Get on my level, bitch. I'm that old. Anyways, but the palette and the already been used brush. Stay tuned. You know if you know. I am Hannah. And today we are going to be taking our first look at the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. I know, I'm lame as fuck. But I love Jeffree so much. So even though I'm late, whatever. So honestly, I haven't swatched any of this. I haven't even opened it. So this is gonna be like the unboxing video also. I'm so excited. So we bubble wrapped. And there you go. It's a cardboard palette. Got the protector. And hello. I honestly don't even know what colors to use. They're all so pretty. I'm blinding myself. I usually wear glasses, so we'll see how this works. And then also from my Ulta haul, that's an empty brush. Okay, here we go. We got the blending brush from the one and the only Jeffree Star. Okay, yeah. So we have the High Flawless Blending. How are ya? Also, unboxing, because why wouldn't I want to take my first spin in this palette? The Jeffree brush. It's literally so soft. Then I'm definitely going to be using this mirror because I can't see my other one. I need glasses. Alright, so I have my face on. I've washed, moisturized, primed, concealed, foundation, not in that order, contoured, highlighted, eyebrows, all that shit. And then, I don't know, I'm usually not too big on colors. I've been testing the waters with them, so we're probably just gonna go for a glam look today. Well, tonight. It's 10 o'clock at night. I have no life. Alrighty, so I'm gonna use, let's do 1985 as my transition shade. 1985. Little bit of fallout. Tap that off. Maybe a lot of bit of fallout. So I'm just gonna blend this up into my crease and above the lid. Hello, are you there? Come on, Jeffree, don't do me like this. I love you. We there a little bit. I mean, it's just a transition shade, right? I see her. And then we're gonna take the same dirty ass brush. That's just who I am. Just kidding. We're gonna take a clean brush. If I can find it. Okay. Hello. We are going to take the Morphe M54. Clean and ready to go. And then I'm going to use, we're just gonna do like a neutral glam look. Mr. Diva, because I mean, it's right there, so why wouldn't I use it? Just blending this like directly into the crease. And on the corner, I like. Yeah, so basically I've been using all these peachy pink eyeshadows lately, and I'm just a slut for pink eyeshadow, I guess. It's just a whole ass mood. Now we are going to be dipping into, I'm not sure yet. We're going to be dipping into Boss Angeles, and I'm going to use Boss Angeles in my outer corner. Same dirty ass brush. But I'm liking that. I'm also going to be blending it lightly into the crease. And then I'm going to take Mr. Diva again, go back in there and blend Boss Angeles and Mr. Diva together. These actually like blend out like really well. Like I'm barely having to blend any of that. And I'm feeling it. All right, and then lid color. What would be a good one, guys? We're gonna go in with Dogma. And I'm going to be taking new brushes. Who's this? I'm going to be taking the Morphe M506. And I'm going to be using this brush as a packer, even though it's not. Jeffree, the fallout. I am like honestly such a fan, and I only want to say good things. And I'm only going to say good things, even though probably should have baked for the fallout, and I didn't. Yes, Jeffree, even though you got glitter all over my fucking face, just still, yes. Now I'm just gonna clean this brush off really quick. And then we are going to be taking Welcome, because we're welcoming all of you to my very first video. And I'm gonna put that on the brow bone. She's fucking shining, and I'm loving it. Ooh, yes, let's get that in my eyebrow too. Sparkling. And then we're gonna go and do 2 in my crease. Did I wash it off? No, I didn't clean it, so there might be a little bit of Welcome in there. And then for my lower lash line, let's darken it up with a little bit of Calabasas. Same brush. Ooh, I'm feeling like Calabasas, honestly. Just smoke that out a little bit. You know, I'm gonna go back in and, I mean, I'd like to say I'm professional, but no. And I'm going to just even everything out. Like, it's okay. Your eyeshadow's a little uneven. I always like to add like a little bit of more shadow into my outer corners anyways. Like, you can always fix a bitch up. You can always fix it up. And then just the one thing I want to say about this brush palette, I'm pretty pleased with. I'm just gonna brush away the fallout. Like, it still pretty glittery, but I use just my regular setting powder brush to dust it off a little bit. I mean, whatever. I have highlighter all over my face, so I'm already glowing. The only thing I would like to say is this is my first, you guys saw me unbox this brush. And like, the bristles, look, they were hanging out of it I don't know if y'all can see this hair, but yeah. So is she gonna last? Is it all Jeffree's fault? No. But Morphe, you are famous for your fucking brushes. What are you doing? Still love both of you though. And now I'm going to finish this look off of camera and we'll see how it looks. My thoughts on this, I love you, is that I love the palette, the box. Nice. Very nice for being cardboard. I love that there's a mirror in there. Other Morphe palettes do not always have mirrors because I have a bunch and none of them have mirrors. And I like the shades. I like that he made glam shades. He's usually a very colorful person, and that's why I have not bought a lot of his eyeshadow products. I'm starting to get into the experimenting with them. My palette is still clean. I cannot wait to dip into that glittery color, but it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm not going to waste it. As you see, I did not do anything to my lips because whatever. I feel like it's very good for colorful looks, glittery glam looks. The brush, you could do a little bit better, honestly. But I'll let it slide, Jeffree. I'll let it slide, Jeffree. I'll let it slide. This time. Don't do me like that again. So I'm gonna give this a fucking 10 out of 10. Fallout should have baked for it. Eyeshadows, powders, they have fallout. 10 out of 10. I am impressed, Jeffree. Love you.